Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to upload static HTML files to WordPress using the plugin Static Pages for WordPress. Download the plugin archive to your computer and open your website. Enter the plugins directory on your WordPress website and click Add New. Click the Upload Plugin button and choose the downloaded archive with Static HTML plugin. Install and activate the plugin in the same way as you do with other WordPress plugins. In the left menu, click Static Pages. There will be the list of your static pages. Click the Upload Archive button. Using this option, you can upload an archive with your static website directly to your WordPress website. In this example, I will use the slides, a static website builder, so you can see just in 1 minute how to upload the static HTML page to your WordPress website. I chose the design, navigation, fonts, style, and effects for my website, and I'm ready to upload it to WordPress. Okay, let's export the website archive. Click the Download button. The archive is downloaded. Open the Static Pages for WordPress and choose the archive to upload it directly to WordPress. Click the Upload button. The archive has been successfully uploaded. I will rename the page and write a new URL for my web page, so my static website will be opened by accessing this URL. If you want to show the static page on your homepage, put a slash in this URL field. Okay, let's see it in action. Open in a new tab, and here it is. Scroll down to see the page. I think it looks good, and is the same page as we have seen in the slides preview. All your static pages will be listed right here. You can change the URL and the static website archive whenever you want. I hope you like this new plugin. Thank you for watching.